Next Level Mindset here with another powerful and positive video. And the first mistake YouTubers make because YouTube changed again, it is talking more about themselves than they do the topic of the video. Most times when people click on your video, they're really clicking on it because of your title, your thumbnail, or the topic. And a lot of YouTubers, they talk more about themselves and what they had for the day. And I found on my channel it's more important to get right into the content of the channel, delivering on the topic, title, and thumbnail. So keep that in mind. Every time someone logs on to YouTube, they're looking for something to satisfy them. And when we can talk more about the video subject, that's when we can avoid those mistakes that a lot of content creators still make, because YouTube, they changed it from just being a click-based YouTube system, and now it's more of an algorithm for enjoyment. How often are people really enjoying our content? That's what YouTube wants to find out. And the mistake that a lot of YouTubers make is they forget to think about that on the engagement part. They forget to think about that when they start their videos. Let's say you first click into a video and the first thing you hear is everything about the content creator and nothing about the content. You're gonna probably get distracted, right? So keep that in mind. You want to talk about more of the content and less about yourself, because that's one of the mistakes that YouTubers make. Now YouTubers made changes in their system. YouTube changed again. And one of the mistakes YouTubers make when it comes to their content is talking more about themselves and not enough about the content at hand. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay inspired and empowered together. We would love to have you here as a part of Next Level. And if you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership in our Buy Me a Coffee site. You can become a Patreon there, a member there. Enjoy that behind the scenes, never seen footage. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. So yeah, this first bonus point that I want to share deals with the algorithm. What I've learned from my research, the algorithm is really divided into two areas. One, engagement, and two, satisfaction. YouTube has really changed. It used to be where you could just click onto some videos, get a bunch of clicks, and register a bunch of views, right? But now they have it where they want to make sure that their viewers are satisfied. They'll do surveys and asking them different questions. How did you really enjoy that video? Doing that to make sure that the viewers are satisfied. And then the other thing that the YouTube algorithm is evolving into is engagement. Likes, subscribes, maybe comments on your videos. In fact, leave me a comment, let me know which one of these stands out the most for you, because that's one thing that YouTube is doing. They're changing an engagement and satisfaction. Another thing to keep in mind, another thing to remember is that YouTube is really rewarding all the channels that are putting into use these new features. They have new features that they're checking out, and every channel that really puts them into practice, YouTube is rewarding those channels because they want to know. They really want to know, are these things really working for the viewer? And there's a lot of content creators that go into this thing and avoid these mistakes. Even yourself, as you avoid these mistakes and grow on your channel, you'll find out that there is still a dark side to this content creation. And I'll talk more about that with this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy it. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.